How to make classic recipes in the Nuwave Pro XL. To make frozen pizza by using the Nuwave Pro XL. First, place the griddle side up, on the mesh rack, and place the rack in position 2. Press on/off to turn on the unit. Then press Menu and turn the Start/Pause dial to Pizza. The Pro XL will automatically be set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 minutes. Press the Start button and the unit will automatically start preheating. After preheating, the unit will beep and show Ready on the display. Carefully place the frozen pizza inside. Halfway through the cook, rotate the pizza for even cooking. When the countdown finishes, the Nuwave Pro XL will beep 3 times and show End. The pizza is ready to go. To make fast food French fries, place the cooking rack and the griddle in position 1, and put the mesh rack in position 2. Turn on the unit, press Preset, and then turn the Start/Pause dial to select preset number 70. The Pro XL will automatically be set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 13 minutes. Press the Start button and the unit will automatically start preheating. After preheating, the unit will beep twice and show Ready on the display. Place the frozen fries inside the mesh rack. Halfway through cooking, the unit will beep and show Shake on the display. Carefully pull out the mesh rack and shake or turn the fries. Slide the rack back in, and the Pro XL will automatically resume cooking. When the countdown finishes, plate the fries. The French fries are ready to go. To make grilled mixed vegetables. First, place the griddle on the mesh rack, grill side up, and place the rack in position 2. Then press Menu and adjust to Grill preset. Press Temperature and turn the Start/Pause dial to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Press Preheat, then press the Start button. The unit will automatically start preheating. While preheating, add oil to your favorite vegetables. Season with salt and pepper. After preheating, the unit will beep and show Ready on the display. Carefully place the mixed vegetables on the grill. When the countdown finishes, the Nuwave Pro XL will beep 3 times and show End. The grilled vegetables are ready to go. To cook medium beef steak. Insert the probe into the thickest part of steak without touching any bone. Then, plug the other side into the probe jack on the control panel. Press Preset and turn the Start/Pause dial to select preset number 16. Press the Start button and the unit will automatically start preheating to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the griddle on the mesh rack, grill side up, and place the rack in position 2. While preheating, add oil to the steak and season it with salt and pepper. When the preheat ends, the unit will beep twice and show Ready on the display. Carefully place the steak inside. When the internal temperature reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit, the unit will beep 3 times and show Carryover on the display. Pull out the tray, take the steak out, and let it rest. The internal temperature will continue to rise on its own as part of the carryover cooking process. When the internal temperature reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit, the unit will beep 3 times and show End. The medium steak is ready to go.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.